In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make clean, reliable updates that save correctly and show up wherever you use Outlook. First, open Outlook on your computer and give it a moment to load your mail and calendar. We're using the desktop app here, and the process is the same, whether your contacts are stored locally or connected to a work or school account. Next, switch to People View. Look to the lower left corner of Outlook for the People icon, the one that looks like two silhouettes. Click that to open your contacts. If your layout is a bit different, you may see the icon on a side rail. The key is to enter the People section, so you can work directly with your contact list. Now, find the contact you want to change. If you have a long list, the search box at the top is the fastest way to locate someone. Just start typing a name or email address and select the result. To begin editing, double-click the contact to open their card in a new window. Alternatively, you can single-click to highlight the contact and then choose Edit on the ribbon at the top. Both methods take you to the same editing screen. With the contact open, update the details you need: name, email, phone numbers, company, job title, and any notes. Keep entries accurate and consistent.